Hey riders, new video in our adventure motorcycle gear review series. Today we're going to talk about the Cardo Packtalk Edge. Let's get in character. So new video format we want to try for you today. We're going to call it the 5W videos, hoping that by answering the questions of the who, what, where, when, and why of these products, that it helps you decide if these are the right products for you or not. Because I'm sometimes a little thick between the ears when it comes to products that are complicated and electronics like this, my buddy Brandon Sargart is going to join us. You might recognize him from previous videos.
I'm back.
Sort of our in-house tech guru, I guess you could say. Again, somebody that knows systems like these much better than I do. So hope the format helps you decide if it's right for you. Okay, we know we're talking about communication devices here. Brandon, who is the Cardo Packtalk Edge for?
Well, the Packtalk Edge is for someone who wants to stay connected to their phone, to their bike, to their GPS. You know, having turn-by-turn navigation is awesome. Having other commentary from other riders just makes it fun. And, you know, that's the coolest part is that you could take a phone call with it and still watch the road. You don't even have to worry.
Pretty important watching the road.
I heard it could actually make it pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What if you're off-road?
Then
There's no road to watch.
I know, but then you can watch for the rocks and the trees and the cows.
This is good stuff.
It could be good. It could be helpful.
Okay, what is unique about it? What are some of the features?
Well, let me go down the list. It is a fully waterproof device, which is very cool because not any other device out there is like that. It has fast charging, Bluetooth 5.2, dynamic mesh, which it is the brand new dynamic mesh, so it's even better. Gives you like a mile range, and when you have more riders, then it gives you even more range because it, you know,
links everybody
together. But it you know, and you can go up to 15 people with it, which is,
I mean trees and mountains and stuff are always a factor.
Yeah, that's in our testing. I found that, you know, sometimes that can play a factor. It has wireless updates, which I absolutely love that. I mean, you open the app and it says your device needs to be updated. No other device does that one. So it also has a 3-year warranty, which is really good because they stand behind their product. I have had, you know, a couple warranty claims on their Bold products where this is the Slim Bold, which is the one that I used to use before the Edge. And they just sent me a new unit when I was having issues. I were like, no big deal, here you go. And the other cool part is that it has the quickest and coolest mount ever with magnets. And that it's smart. On there. Yeah, no, it's solid. I mean, you gotta click it to get it off, but done deal. So that's how you take it off the helmet and put it on. But yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell of why this is the coolest communication device on the market.
All right, so where would someone use the Packtalk Edge?
Well, on the ski slopes.
There's a helmet involved in some cases.
Yeah,
good one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and then the coolest part is that you could be using it on an adventure motorcycle.
Okay, we do that one. But the ski,
the ski one's good, right?
You use it for a lot of different things.
Right. So there is multi-use for this. It doesn't just have to be on a dirt bike or a motorcycle to keep everybody connected. It's literally side-by-sides is another good one. Think about that to keep all your friends all connected.
Go where you want to go.
I love that.
It's not going to limit you to
No, there's no limits. Like you could hang it on a necklace. Like like when I was in the support van following the Baja tour, I hung this on here to hear what everybody was saying, and then I was talking at the same time, like, Tope!
Okay, so when would somebody want to use this?
Well, if they want to listen to music while they're riding, or if they want to be able to take phone calls. I mean, the music thing is pretty big because I have to have music when I'm riding or I can't concentrate because I'm thinking about, you know, all the stuff I was supposed to do instead of
nothing else to think about when you're riding.
Exactly.
Yeah, nothing else going on.
No, nothing else. But the other cool part is if you want to take a phone call and pretend like you're at the office like I do, you know, because the noise cancellation on the device actually blocks everything out. And everybody thinks I'm at the office, but
I did talk to you once and you said you were on that and I was surprised that I couldn't hear. That's right. Okay.
It's very cool. I love that about this thing. And, you know, another cool feature though is that you're able to use earplugs like I do. I use earplugs and I can crank it up because this unit is louder than the old one, which is really nice. So, you know, when I'm going at a pretty good speed on the
28,
road.
25, yeah.
28,
nice,
25, yeah. I'm able to hear and not crank it up all the way. So it's pretty cool because it actually lifts up the volume as you're riding, and then as you slow down, it lowers the volume.
And lastly, why would someone choose the Cardo over another system?
Cardo has been the innovators since the early 1900s. 1900s. No, 2004 is when they came out with their first device, right?
Okay.
They came out with, communication devices, number one. Number two, they're the first ones that came out with the comm system of mesh, right? So it's kind of nice that, they are the originators of these devices. Technology, right? And the coolest part about this is that I love yelling at this device.
Meaning?
Well, it has a natural speak where you just talk to it. You go, hey, Cardo, volume up. Hey, Cardo, volume down. Hey, Cardo, next track.
Switch songs.
Hey, Cardo, yeah, jump off a cliff. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different things that it can that it can do. So I like that feature personally, is the being able to speak to it and it
Answer
works.
call, hang up call, volume up.
That's what I do. I'll go. Yeah, when I get a phone call, it'll be ringing in my ear, and I'll either say ignore or I'll go answer, and then I immediately start talking. It's really cool. So I really like that about the Cardo units.
Sets itself aside.
It does. It sets itself apart from the others. Even though some of the others do have some of those features, they're just not the same.
Bonus question, where would someone get one of these?
Well, I would check out your local moto shop first, because support local. If not, if you like buying stuff online, jump on our Ride Adventures web store.
Okay, so we've got the OG of mesh communication systems. We've got waterproof and the natural talk feature.
Love that.
Like a good choice.
I love that natural talk. I'm glad that I was able to, inform you just a little bit, because you're technologically advanced.
I need it.
As much help as you can
your
get.
fancy electronics and your complicated shoes. Thank you for the help.
You're welcome. Okay. I wonder who's going to get the shoe reference from Seinfeld.
Someone will get it.
I think somebody will.
There's always a fan out there.
It's like those hip musicians with their complicated shoes.
Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like the format of this video, the 5 W's, if it helps you decide on products, let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell for seeing more videos. And thanks for watching, everyone.
Right on.
We'll see you out there. Who is the Cardo Packtalk Edge for?
Well, it's for old white bald men. Their mobile device, other riders, anything in between. It keeps you connected. Which, that's it.
Quick and easy.
Yeah, look at that. Dangle that thing.
It didn't actually, it popped right off.
Ah, son of a